Hello, this is Ariel from Easy Home. Today I am introducing a new design product. Dust-free small size shelf display cabinet LS1314. This is a 10 cm one body LS1314. The size is the 10, length is the 10, and the width is a 12.5 cm, and the height is a 13.5 cm. And this have the add strips inside. The lumen is a 16.5 lumen per piece. The 10 cm is the 1 watt per piece. The 20 cm is the 2 watt per piece. The max length we can do 50 lengths per piece. 50 lengths is a 6 watt per piece. This LS1314 we have different shape. For example, the T shape, L shape. L shape have different lighting direction. For example, here, and this one is here, and this is here. This is a V shape. This is the 118-degree lighting. You can bend it. This is the cross shape, X or the cross. And this is our accessory connector. We can connect it together. And this one is the power cable with the end cap. We can connect it. Now we can net it up. Okay, now we net it up. You can see here without any dots in here. It's dot-free lighting. And you can see here also is a dot-free.